Give me a tip and trick. What is the easiest way of taking off wheels when you are alone?
There is no idea yet.
Forklift. You need to find forklift. Yes.
It's again new day, and the story about the seat finally is finished. I'm sitting in the new seat. It's installed. It's pumping. It goes down. So simply, easy. Still left to find out what is wrong with the front axle. At some point need to lift the tractor up and check how big loose is in the middle connection. Front axle. First of all, connection rods. They are bad. They are really bad. They have been destroyed. Now let's see what with the axle we have. There is something loosey. So what is the idea? There is no idea yet. But here in the middle is like a pin. Let's see what we can do. Or just replace with a bigger pin or need some insert. I never been opening these ones. So that's gonna be also something new for me, and we will find out in the process what to do. Let's go. Beautiful winter weather. No wind, a little bit frost and snow. A bit more different job. Heavy tractor. I need to get off one of the front wheels because it has in the tire some crack, and we are going to replace that one. Only I can't remember which side had the crack. So I need to lift up front axle or front of the tractor. I need to get up from the floor, turn around wheels and try to find which tire is cracked. Let's go. And there's some tips and tricks that I saw from Fendt guys. Instead of using jack and lifting the tractor, we will use post. I will start up tractor, lower the front suspension, raise front suspension to the max, and I will place down. And then just by lowering front suspension, front wheels will lift up. That's how I saw Fendt guys doing. I will try to do the same now. Let's go. Let's see. I think it's supposed to work when we place out here. Let's try. So easy, it did work. Now I just need to find which tire has a crack. Here we have a crack. It's still not losing air, but we're afraid that at some point it will simply explode. You can even see inside threads. Not so big, I would say 6 centimeter crack. So anyway, I need to take this wheel off and deliver to the Fendt service, and they will change the tire, and then we can drive safe. Let's go and grab some tools. Serious man tools. Someone could tell me what size it is. What do we have here? 32 or 30? 27 not. 30 or 32. Extra extension. Like this.
taking off wheel probably, yeah, usually I can do faster and easier. This time it didn't want to come easy off. And while wheel is off, you can see a small troublemakers in our company. It's a strings from the shade net. It usually turns around the axles and then slowly starts to destroy seals. So when wheel is off, it's a good idea just to clean them off. Now just need to find pallet, need to find car and get tire to the service. Now actually it's a good place for the comments from the good farmers, old farmers. Give me a tip and trick. What is the easiest way of taking off wheels when you are alone? Let's go and find car and truck. What was the English name? The right proper English name for the truck. Forklift. You need to find forklift. Yes. Bro.
Så i 2022 frikendte begge kvinder. Ifølge anklagen skete bestikkelsen fra to.
Danish news, not interesting, nothing. Let's put on some electronic music.
Like no one's ever lived before. I wanna live this life off with you. Like no one's ever lived before. I wanna
go and find someone. Here we have some Christmas tree plantation. There's even more.
No one's ever lived before. I wanna live. I wanna live.
Thank you for watching. And always, if you have questions, give them in the comment below. See you. Peace.